Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook shrimp pasta. First, let's gather our ingredients to make this process smooth and enjoyable. You will need 1 pound of uncooked shrimp, ensuring they are peeled and deveined. Also, grab 8 ounces of your preferred pasta, some good olive oil, and about 4 cloves of fresh garlic, minced. Don't forget a little fresh parsley for garnish. It truly brightens the dish. Let's start by cooking your pasta until it is perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, drain it, but be sure to save about 1/2 cup of that starchy cooking water. It's a secret ingredient for the sauce. Next, gently pat your shrimp completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps them get a beautiful sear, and season them with a simple sprinkle of salt and fresh black pepper. Now let's create the heart of our dish, the sauce. Heat 2 generous tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once warm, add your minced garlic, stirring it gently for about 1 minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of dry white wine, or chicken broth if you prefer, letting it simmer for 2 minutes to reduce slightly. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, which adds a lovely, zesty tang. It's time to bring all these delicious components together. Carefully add your seasoned shrimp directly into the simmering sauce. Cook them for only 2 to 3 minutes, just until they turn a beautiful pink and are opaque. Overcooked shrimp can become rubbery. Now, add your cooked pasta to the skillet, tossing everything gently to ensure every strand is coated in that luscious sauce. If the sauce feels a bit thick, simply stir in a tablespoon or 2 of your reserved pasta water until it reaches your perfect consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.